Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and our esteemed guests and our dear participants. Welcome to the grand opening of the 13th Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast. Well, it's an absolute honor to stand before you tonight as we embark on this journey of fashion, style and pageantry. And for over a decade now, as we embark, it is a moment of sheer nostalgia. As I rightly said, for over a decade now, Mega Entertainment and Mega Activation have been at the forefront in organizing this gala event, bringing together the rest of the Northeast India, talent and beauty. Well, this year promises to be even bigger and better than before as we showcase the charisma, confidence and charm of our contestants. Can we have a round of applause for our wonderful contestants? Well, to all our viewers who are watching us online, joining us online from across Northeast India and beyond, thank you. And hear this out. One of the winner tonight shall represent India at the top model of universe to be held in Turkey. Well, ladies and gentlemen, dear audience, time to welcome our panel of judges. And together they bring a wealth of experience, talent and passion to the judging panel, of course. And we are honored to have them join us tonight for this spectacular event. The 13th edition of Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast. Let us take the privilege and applaud and welcome onto the stage our first judge of this evening, Ms. Monica Devi, fashion and lifestyle promoter and entrepreneur. Monica Devi. The first judge of the evening, ladies and gentlemen, Monica Devi, fashion and lifestyle promoter and entrepreneur. Thank you so much for gracing, and the panel is yours. The panel is waiting. Thank you. Our upcoming judge, ladies and gentlemen, is a successful and acclaimed hotelier, and he is Mr. Bobby Singh. Mr. Bobby Singh, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir, for gracing Mr. Bobby Singh, successful and acclaimed hotelier. Thank you. Moving on, and our upcoming judge, ladies and gentlemen, is our former Mega Mr. Northeast, Mr. Achivi Avi. Achivi, welcome once again onto the stage with your round of applause, of course. Thank you, Achivi. Please take your seat. Moving on and inviting our next judge onto the panel. She is Ruchi Bharadwaj Bora, the Premium Nutrition and Fitness Consultant. Ruchi Bharadwaj Bora, with your round of applause. Thank you, Ruchi Bharadwaj Bora. Thank you so much. And time to introduce our next judge, and he is Mr. Habib Mohammad Chaudhary, founder Chairman of HSMM Group of Companies, entrepreneur and a philanthropist, Mr. Habib Mohammad Chaudhary. With your round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, give it on. Thank you, sir, for gracing. And now let's welcome onto the stage our next judge, and he is Mr. Sankar Bahadur, Regional Visual Merchandiser, East Region Killer Jeans. Mr. Sankar Bahadur. Sir, can we request you to grace the stage? Thank you, sir, for gracing, and the audience here and those who are watching us online. Let's give it up for the celebrity hairstylist, director of Hakim Alim Hair and Beauty Lounge. You heard it absolutely right, Mr. Alim Hakim. With your round of applause, guys, give it up. So all our 7 judges are seated and they are good, and we are good to go. So let the 13th Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast begin. May this even be a celebration of beauty. May it be a celebration of diversity and spirit of Northeast India. Well, dear audience, donning the rich fabric and handloom of the Northeastern region, here are our 58 finalists, proudly representing the diversity and beauty of Northeast unity. You are watching the 13th Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast Road to Top Model of Universe to be held in Turkey. Can we have a round of applause for our 58 contestants here on stage? Give it up! Well, how was that? Okay. I thoroughly agree to how you reacted. It's absolutely a delight. Well, contestants backstage, hear this out. You have really represented your respective state beautifully with grace and pride. And it's time to announce our 8 state winners. Best of luck, of course. Best of luck. Your journey to this stage has been amazing, remarkable, and we acknowledge that. So let's announce our 8 state winners. But before that, I would now welcome onto the stage, onto the platform, Akash Pradhan, the Mega Mr. Sikkim 2023, to present these honors. Good to see you, Akash. Thank you so much. Thank you for gracing. Thank you. And your audience, let's announce the winners, the state winners. And to begin with, Killer Jeans Mega Mr. Sam is T. Rajiv Singh. Congratulations. Moving on, Killer Jeans Mega Mr. Arunachal Pradesh is Bogom Tor. Congratulations. Moving on, Killer Jeans Mega Mr. Meghalaya. And the winner is Aman Pasa. Congratulations. Killer Jeans Mega Mr. Manipur. Pugoy Gulme, congratulations! Congratulations. And we have 4 more to go. Killer Jeans Mega Mr. Mizoram is David Lennon Moya. Congratulations. Let's announce the Killer Jeans Mega Mr. Nagaland. Pongangok, Pongan, congratulations. Audience, you really need to keep your applaud going because now we are going to announce Killer Jeans Mega Mr. Sikkim, Gunjan Dodi Bhutia. Congratulations! And last but not the least, Killer Jeans Mega Mr. Tripura is awarded to Binod Debarma. Congratulations, Binod. All right, hold on everyone. Now can we share a huge round of applause to these wonderful contestants, the 8 state winners. Many congratulations guys, you nailed it. Congratulations. And ladies and gentlemen, that pivotal moment has arrived where our contestants are setting the tone right for the entire event. It's time for the introduction. Yes, without further delay, let us get to know our 58 contestants individually as they walk to the next step to glory, the 13th Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast Road to Top Model of Universe in Turkey. Title sponsor, Setwet, Set Your Vibe. Hospitality partner, Hotel Daishko Olealo. Fashion partner, Butterfly Clothing and Accessories. Style partner, Killer Jeans. This is us. Enjoy.
Mrinamko Chaudhary from Agartala. Lutito Katiri from Kohima. Pancheng Bamravi Singh from Moirang. Kishan Atom for Import. Gaurish Singh from Guwahati. Elvis Nongrum from Bernihat. Dibago Bora from Nagaon.
Longmain Wangpong from Kohima.
Kendalo Rengma from Karbi Anglong.
Teji Lali from Pitanagar. Hemant Gautam from Gangtok. Krishna Das from Guwahati. Pratap Kaur from Shillong. Neil Podhani from Dhuburi.
Loyumba Moyang team from Imphal.
Mustaq Ahmed from Borpeta. Valedo Medio from Kohima. Larin kita Kiante from Champai. Tinku Boninar from Guwahati. Raj Diwakar Singh from Guwahati. Kokivi Yaktomi from Dimapur. Sagar Debarma from Agartala. Hero Grava from Udalguri. Manish Pradhan from Soling. Gaurav Sograpam from Imphal. Pranjal Demari from Udalguri.
Jayanta from Dimapur.
Gaurav Bose from Udalguri. Boluk Wangpan from Tirap. Martin Irengbo from Imphal. Rahul Kar from Guwahati. Kamalraj Shahi from Shillong. Vishal Burdeva from Gangtok. Raja Brahma from Kokrajhar. Dipanjit Bora from Guwahati. Rohit Kundongbom from Imphal. Ramsar Bosomtari from Baksa. Mriganga Bharacharji from Guwahati. Arki Donald Sinkley from Sidon. Jayanta Kalira from Biswanath Charyali. Kajigo video from Dimapur. Kashyap Jyoti Kalita from Guwahati. Zhang Doji Bojia from Gangtok. Norman Nicolita from Hajo. Prashant Mishra from Guwahati. Agruzam from Imphal. Ashin Das from Guwahati. Rohan Pradhan from Shillong. Raktim Duridas from Sonapur. Shamu Debarma from Agartala. Navam Honia from Ittaragar. Aman Prasa from Joai.
Bogam Tat from Kamle.
David Lauren Moya from Mysore.
Pogui Gormay from Imphal.
Rajiv Singh from Hojai.
Vinod Debarma from Agartala. Pominok Pongen from Chumu Kerima.
How did you find our contestants? All right, now moving on to the next category. Time to announce the subtitle awards recognized on various attributes of individual personality and attitude. The first subtitle award is Hotel Disco Ole Alo Mr. Congeniality. And to give away the award, we invite on stage Jaiklong Bosumotari. Thank you. Hotel Disco Ole Alo Mr. Congeniality Award goes to Jayanta Kolita from Assam. Thank you and congratulations. And moving on, Killer Jeans Mr. Style Icon Subtitle Award. To give away, we invite on stage Mr. Dipankar Das, ASM Retail Killer Jeans. Mr. Dipankar Das. And the award, Killer Jeans Mr. Style Icon, goes to Rohit Khudangbam from Manipur. Congratulations, and thank you so much. Moving on to the next subtitle award, and that is Butterfly Mr. Fashion Icon. And to give away the award, we invite on stage Mr. Sranula Marwin, the founder, and Mr. Rishant Pariad, co-founder of Butterfly Clothing and Accessories. And Butterfly Mr. Fashion Icon Award goes to Martin Ironbaum from Manipur. Thank you, gentlemen, and congratulations to the winner. And the last subtitle award, and that is Set Wet Mr. Vibe Setter. To give away the award, we invite on stage celebrity hairstylist Alim Hakim, the director of Hakim Alim Hair and Beauty Lounge. Once again, thank you so much. And the award goes to Set Wet Mr. Vibe Setter is Pugoi Golme from Manipur. And hear me out. Pugoi Golme is the auto entry into the semi-final round. What a sight, what a sight. And everyone out there, please help me in welcoming our reigning winners of Mega Mr. Northeast. They have come forward to share their thoughts, memories and experiences from their unforgettable journey. Yes, I'm extremely delighted to welcome upon stage Adong Jamatia Tripura. I know, quite an overwhelming moment for you right now. And can we have a round of applause? Because tonight he shall be passing on the torch to someone else who's equally deserving. So Adong, I hate to say this, but your farewell speech tonight.
Thank you so much, Navi sir. Wow, you guys are amazing. Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Adon Jamatia, Mega Mr. Northeast 2023. Last year, January 2023, I was blessed with the title Mega Mr. Northeast. Time really flies. And today, tonight, it marks the end of this incredible chapter of my life. This journey has taught me that if you love something, if you want something, strive hard for it and you will definitely achieve it. As the saying goes in Hindi that कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उससे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. And the journey is not all about winning, but the life lesson and the discipline that I learned from Sir Abhijit Sinha is the most precious thing that I have achieved, and I will hold on to it forever. Thank you so much, Abhijit sir, for your love and guidance. Thank you so much. And my journey would not have been complete if there is no people supporting me from the beginning. Thank you so much. I love you all. I'm in emotion right now. And oh, and to all my people, I want to thank you all for supporting me since the day one throughout my journey. And to every contestant out there, they were amazing, they were fabulous, they were great. You guys just nailed the stage, and I wish them all the best, no matter what the outcome tonight. Let's be an inspiration. We are and will always be beautiful and grateful inside and out. As the saying goes in my mother tongue, in Kokborok, that Nung salhake sengna musungkai, pila salhake kamna nangnai, which means if you want to shine bright like a sun, first of all you have to burn like a sun. So, and yes, may the best man with the beautiful heart wins tonight. May my successor take this stage tonight. And yes, cherish and enjoy every moment that is handed over to you. And take this legacy forward as far and wide and limitless as possible. And be always humble and give thankful to God. And last but not the least, thank you, Sir Abhijit Singha, for this beautiful platform that you have given to us to present ourselves and represent our state and tradition. Thank you so much, Sir Abhijit. I love you, and we love you. And to all the Mega Entertainment team, thank you so much for all your love, care, and guidance throughout the year. You guys are really amazing. This is a home where we all, the youngsters from the Northeast, came together and share our bonding and create memories. Thank you so much once again for this wonderful platform, Sir Abhijit Singha. Thank you so much. Well, tonight this is the moment that I will cherish forever. Once again, I stand here before you as the title holder of Mega Mr. Northeast 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Adong Jamatia, the winner of Mega Mr. Northeast 2023. Signing off. It's a pleasure to be here this evening. Thank you so much. Love you all. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.
That was quite powerful and emotional. Adong, we feel you. Moving on. Now let's welcome the other reigning winner. And you know who he is? From Nagaland, Vihuzo Kinsey, with your round of applause, onto the stage. Vihuzo, welcome back to the stage. I'm sure it's like a nostalgia right now. All rewind. And one has already delivered his farewell speech, Adong, and now it's your turn. Your speech to the crowd for the final time.
Good evening, Northeast.
I hope you all are doing good, and thank you, host, for this time. So, winning is not all about awarding of sashes, or it's not about the cheers or the yields of the people. But audience and contestants back there, I say to you, it is much, much more than that. It has been almost a year since I have been selected as the winner of the 12th edition Bureau Mega Mission Northeast. And then the experience has been amazing. And then I'm sure I'll remember it for my lifetime. One of the most important things that I have learned is if a person wants to strive towards what he wants to achieve, he needs to give his best. Audience, believe me when I say this. If you want to achieve something, the journey is not going to be easy. You'll face trials and temptations. There will be discriminations and criticisms. But in the midst of all that, take pride and don't take it as a time to lose, but take it as an opportunity to make yourself proof worthy. And as I stand here, competing in this pageant, I think I've able to discover that the stage was meant for me. And then tonight, I want to pour out my gratitude to all the well-wishers and supporters who have supported me from the beginning. First of all, I would like to thank our Almighty God for always having mercy and then giving me skills to come up here. Secondly, and most important, I would like to thank my family members, though they are not here, my mom and dad, and my siblings. They have been my greatest inspiration. They have given me everything that I needed, and then they have always cheered me and they boosted me for me to chase my dream without stopping me. And again, I would like to thank my friends and my colleagues, my mentors, for always, urging me to do what I like. So even though they are not here, I want to give my heartfelt appreciation to them and then to the organization as well. Thank you for this journey. It has been immensely my pleasure working with you all. Yeah, thank you. And then, Sir Abhijit, he's not here, but I can proudly say that he's very well known, but he has been very humbled. He's a humbled man, and then he has been kind throughout the journey. So, Sir Abhijit Singha, hats off to you. And as I want to say something from my language, which goes like, Nia nom hapete chicken tsunu. Nkapie kepenyop futsilia, zero po ncha chikemezusidio. Which is like, whatever you do, submit it to the Lord and He will make your path straight. It's a kind of emotional that this is my last stand as the title holder, but then at the same time, I am privileged that I'll be handing over my title to the new winners. Hum handsome नहीं पैसा वाला नहीं है, लेकिन भगवान का आशीर्वाद से हमने यहाँ तक पहुँचा. So, to all the contestants backstage, you all are winners. You all did so good. And to the finalists, be confident and all the best. May the best win and may the man with the golden heart win. So I stand here once again as the title holder. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Vihuzo Kensei, the winner of Mega Mission Northeast 2023. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Set with Mega Mr. Northeast, the 13th edition. And time to announce our semi-finalist. The first cut, the audience, the faces of the 12 semi-finalists who have progressed to this round. They will be exclusively featured in Killer Dreams. Let's welcome the first semi-finalist, Gaurav Sugrakpam. Congratulations! Let's welcome Dipanjit Bora. the next semi-finalist of this evening, Arki Donald Senkley. Congratulations! Welcome back on stage, Rohan Pradhan. Congratulations! Join me in welcoming Mrinanka Chaudhary. Congratulations! Presenting before you, the Rajiv Singh. Congratulations! Let's welcome our next semi-finalist, NG Gaurish Singh. Congratulations! Let's welcome onto the stage, Rahul Kaur. Congratulations! Ladies and gentlemen, into the top 12 is Pugoy Gome. Congratulations! Joining the league, Gunjang Dorji Bhutia. Congratulations! Presenting before you our next semi-finalist, Krishna Das. Congratulations! And last but certainly not the least, Martin Ironbaum. Congratulations! That was half-hearted. You can do it again. Come on, you can do it better. Well, these exceptional men have definitely proven in different rounds, and we congratulate them. Ladies and gentlemen, and dear audience here present in the auditorium, let's welcome back all these top 12 back on stage with your round of applause once again. They are exceptional, they are talented, they are motivated, they are driven. They have the force, they have the vibe, and they set it correct. They have undergone rigorous training, exercises, and of course, under the tutelage of none other than Mr. Abhijit Sinha. They have learnt it all, and here they are as the semi-finalists. We definitely congratulate them. They have showcased their talent, charm, and dedication. They are just one step closer to the ultimate title of the 13th Set Wet Mega Mr. Northeast, and this is the 13th edition. Advancing to the top 5 is one contestant from Assam, NG Gaurish Singh. Congratulations! And advancing to the top 5. Manipur, Pogoi Golmai from Manipur! Three more to go. I can see only one Sikkim placard. Okay, hold on. Who said Sikkim? Okay, here I find Sikkim bagging the slot. Kunjal Doji Bhojia from Sikkim. Advancing to the top 5, Krishna Das from Assam. Congratulations. The last slot, hear it out loud. And it's Manipur, Martin Rangbam. Congratulations! We are back with some news and piece of information. Now, we shall invite on stage one by one our finalists tonight, who shall be adorned in amazing attire curated by Butterfly, of course, clothing and accessories. And now, let's welcome onto the stage the finalist, NG Gaurish Singh from Assam. Congratulations, Gaurish, and you will be joined in by your fellow finalists. Let's welcome onto the stage Pugui Golme from Manipur. Congratulations, you made it. And now, let's welcome Kunjang Doji Bhutia from Sikkim. All right, keep your fingers crossed. And now let's move on in welcoming Krishna Das from Assam. The last finalist of the season, Martin Ironbaum from Manipur. And my dear judges, these are our top 5, the finalists of the 13th Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast. And over to the jury bench.
Okay, so my question to you all is, listen carefully. How will you represent our Northeast to the world out there?
I'll help you out. How would you represent Northeast to the rest of the world? Okay, that is the question by ma'am. And from the jury bench, Krishna, the question, if in Assamese it has to be reiterated, বিশ্ব দৰবাৰত তুমি উত্তৰ পূৰ্বাঞ্চলক কেনেধৰণে প্ৰতিনিধিত্ব কৰিবা আজি এই মঞ্চলৈ আহিলা আৰু ইয়াৰ জৰিয়তে হওক বা জীৱনতেই হওক আগবাঢ়ি যেতিয়া যাবাগে তেতিয়া উত্তৰ পূৰ্বাঞ্চলক বিশ্ব দৰবাৰত তুমি কেনেধৰণে প্ৰতিনিধিত্ব কৰিবা ঠিক আছে okay so he will read his name aloud and then he'll share his answer.
First of all, a very good evening to you all and to all the judges present here tonight. My name is Pogui Golmay, and if I were to represent Northeast to the world, present Northeast to the world, I would show the world that the beauty of Northeast, whether it may be the cultures, the beautiful lands, and the cultural diversities. Thank you.
Krishna Das this side. Firstly, thank you so much, jury members, for asking us this beautiful question. So, my answer to this question is, in international platform, we would like to present our Northeast with carrying ourselves with the raw personality we have, because in international platform, always we should carry the raw personality includes dedication, hard work, confidence, and mainly the inner self. So these things can make us to chase our dreams. After all, we are Northeast. Thank you so much, everyone.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Martin Ironbaum. If I were given the privilege to represent Northeast internationally, then I will represent Manipur, Northeast with love, because there is no greater than love, greater gift than love. Love binds the whole world together, and the world will be a better place to live in. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for the question, ma'am. First of all, I would like to represent myself from Northeast because I wanted to show the world that what kind of religion, tradition, culture, and what kind of different facilities we can use for our country, Northeast. And it will also help many other states to build up their competence in national pageant too. And lastly, Mega Mr. Northeast will also guide us and help us to like groom ourselves to reach that platform. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Gaurish Singh, and a good evening to the respected judges and this beautiful audience. So to answer your question, how would I represent my Northeast in the world? It's a very simple answer for me is acceptance, because I'm a Manipuri guy living in Guwahati among the Assamese people, and they've accepted me with so much love. And if I have to take my Northeast to the world, I would talk about the beautiful place and the beautiful territory that Northeast consists of. For example, there is a place in Meghalaya, there's a beautiful place in Meghalaya, there are beautiful hills in the Manipur, the beautiful hills of Sikkim and Nagaland, Arunachal. I mean, I can go on forever if I have to talk about Northeast to the world. And I believe Northeast has a place in this world, has a place, has a name, and has an identity that is unique on its own. And with that, I would take my leave, and thank you so much for the question, judges, again.
Thank you, dear finalists. Thank you. See you around backstage. Thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, dear audience, offline and online who are watching right now, you are viewing the 13th Setwest Mega Mr. Northeast Road to Top Model of Universe in Turkey, and an opportunity to represent India at international platform. But first, let's welcome our reigning winners onto the stage for the final time. Adong Jamatia from Tripura and Vihuzo Kensei from Nagaland. The two gentlemen, the two reigning winners, thank you so much. And now, time to welcome onto the stage our top 5 of this edition back on stage. Well, let me ask you, aren't they looking fashionable in this wonderful outfit? Yeah? Thanks to Butterfly Clothing and Accessories, a Shillong-based brand in the process to expand in other northeastern states, and we wish them luck. And here we take the privilege and delight to welcome upon stage Mr. Stranuslan Marwin, the founder of Butterfly Clothing and Accessories, and Mr. Rishan Pariar, the co-founder of Butterfly Clothing and Accessories. Butterfly Collection is the fastest growing and the leading brand in Shillong, and also have received the recognition nationwide and have won numerous awards. Once again on stage, Mr. Stranuslan Marwin and Mr. Rishan Pariar. Thank you, gentlemen, for gracing. They are looking amazing in your collection, and you know, the microphone is yours. Decide who's going to speak tonight.
Okay, I'm going to go. So, good evening, everyone. Respected judges over here, and our amazing contestants. And let's not forget our lovely audience over here. So we stand here today, Butterfly Clothing and Accessories, as a proud official fashion partner for Miss and Mr. Mega Northeast 2024. Butterfly doesn't stand just for fashion. It's more about embracing the changes and enjoying the journey. So I would like to hand over the mic to my brother over here. He'll just talk more about Butterfly.
I'll just speak only a few words and thank you so much for this Miss and Mr. Mega Miss Northeast for giving us such an incredible journey to be a part of this, and I would like to thank you so much for this.
Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. That's Butterfly Clothing and Accessories. I'm absolutely liking the fact that girls are also flaunting their biceps. Wow, that's the energy. All right, hold on, calm down everyone. All right, so everyone out there, a huge shout out to the man who has been executing this successful show over the past 20 years and to continue. The doyen of the industry, his vision, his passion, his dedication have made this a prestigious, unforgettable and a global event. None other than Mr. Abhijit Sinha. Edition, good long 13th edition. I'm sure you have a lot to say, and the microphone is all yours.
Good evening, Northeast, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, this has been possible and has been possible because of the love and support my Northeast has given to us. The 13th edition has been possible with the immense love and support from the entire team, the brands, the sponsors, the panel of judges who are here right now have done an amazing job for us. To the panel of judges, thank you so much. I would like to thank all the team here. On the sound we have DJ Panther. Can we have a shout out for DJ Panther? The photography team, Ratul Sharma's team, thank you so much on cameras. And my very little boy who is also on the camera, technicals, Subroto and team. Subroto, thank you so much. My entire team of Mega Entertainment and Mega Activation. To all my winners of Mega Mr. Northeast. Of course, to my title sponsor, SetBet, thank you so much for this opportunity. I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart Mr. Ankit Desai. Ankit sir, thank you so much. This was amazing. Partners in crime, Nilesh Bagaria, we have worked very hard for this. Nilesh, thank you so much. From Kila, Jason sir, thank you for trusting in us. from Butterfly Marvin. Amazing clothing you have created, and I think North really is fashionable. My hospitality partner, Hotel Disco, thank you for the support. And of course, all the other brands who have supported this event. And to one person with whom we have started together in 2003, SM set designer Satyajit Mandal and his team. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a shout out for Satyajit Mandal. This beautiful setup, the production is by SM set designers, and I think you have enjoyed on this platform, right? Peklua, I know you couldn't make it here because you can see Vihozo and Adong, but Peklua has got his exams. Peklua is from Mizoram. Peklua, I'm sure you're there watching out this live, and Peklua, we love you. We love you, Peklua. Without further delay, we will announce the winners in no random order. All the winners will be crowned equally. One winner will get the opportunity to go and represent India at the Top Model of Universe in Turkey this year. We have Adong and Vihozo to do the sashing ceremony for the winner. Can I also would like to introduce this young budding talents from all across our Northeast, and he is from BTR, Boroland Territorial Region, from Kokrajhar. He is also the choreographer for this show. Please put your hands together for Pronoy Owari. To do the honor on stage for the Top Model of Universe, I would like to invite on stage Aman Kondelia, ladies and gentlemen. For the trophies, I invite on stage another young and very promising designer, Pratik Sharma, with the trophy. I like to call on Jai Klong Basumatari with the trophy. One more very young person who have been so instrumental in making this event so powerful. You know, we call it, what do you call it in Hindi? Okay, what we call that, Navish?
Chota packet, bada dhamaka.
Okay. The strength of mega entertainment, mega activation. I would like to invite on stage Arjun Das. Deepa, are you there? there are few people like without whom this show wouldn't have been possible. I would really like to introduce like another strength of Mega Entertainment, Mega Activation. Deepa, can I have you on stage, Deepa? These are the powers, strength of this event, because without them, this won't have been possible. Ladies and gentlemen, Deepa and Arjun. Deepa, কি কবা show to be quiet. We have completed almost on the end of the stretch. Like,
good evening. আজি আমি 20টা বছৰত ভৰি দিলোঁ 20 বছৰত আজি আমি ভৰি দি আমি নিজকে আজি মানে ডাঙৰ হোৱা যেন অনুভৱ কৰিছোঁ আৰু সঁচাকৈ আজি আমি ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল প্লেটফৰ্মলৈকে যাবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছোঁ একমাত্ৰ আপোনালোকৰ মৰম আৰু আশীৰ্বাদৰ বাবে এনেকৈ আমাক সদায় ছাপোৰ্ট কৰক মৰম আশীৰ্বাদ কৰক যাতে আমি আমাৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্টক গোটেই বিশ্বৰ দৰবাৰৰ আগত প্ৰতিষ্ঠিত কৰিব পাৰোঁ ধন্যবাদ
You know what happens behind the backstage, the management, it's not only about glamour. We all here in Mega Entertainments are not any boss, neither any proprietor, not owner. We are all workers. We all are a team. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Mega Entertainment. The winners I mentioned will be crowned equally. They are all of the same weightage. The Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast 13th edition co-winner is Assam Gauri Singh. Of Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast 13th edition is Manipur Martin. about to complete the grand finale of Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast 13 edition as we announce the co-winner, and after that we'll announce the international winner. Ladies and gentlemen, Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast 13th edition is Assam Krishna Das. Request all the three winners to join here. We'll declare the international winner. One of them will be representing India at the top model of universe in Turkey this year. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us from Assam Krishna, from Manipur Martin, and Gaurish from Assam. The winner to represent India at the top model of universe is Manipur. Gentlemen, Mega Mr. India, top model of universe. Thank you, Aman. Boys, can we have a walk from here? Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the brand new winners of Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast 13th edition. Please take your first walk, official walk as the winners.